Welcome to our course Source of Water Supply and Basics on Firefighting designed for hotel engineers. In this course, we will explore essential principles and practices for designing effective fire protection systems, specifically tailored for the hospitality industry. Our first module focuses on the critical topic of fire water supply, which is the backbone of any effective fire protection strategy. Let's dive in. Definition of water supply in firefighting. Fire water supply systems provide the necessary water to extinguish fires during emergencies. These systems ensure that firefighters have immediate access to adequate resources, critical for effective fire protection. A reliable water supply is vital for quick response times and sustaining firefighting efforts. Proper design and maintenance are integral to the effectiveness of these systems. Significance of water supply for fire safety. A robust water supply is crucial for fire safety measures, allowing for rapid extinguishment of fires and protection of lives. In high-occupancy areas like hotels, the stakes are elevated, necessitating reliable systems. The availability of water significantly reduces potential damage and enhances overall safety. Ensuring well-designed water supply systems is fundamental to effective fire protection. Overview of municipal water supply systems. Municipal water supply systems serve as the primary source of water for firefighting in urban settings. These systems leverage public water infrastructure, utilizing fire pumps to boost pressure when necessary. Understanding how to integrate municipal systems into fire protection planning is vital for engineers. This approach ensures immediate access to water in high-density areas during emergencies. Understanding private water supply sources. Private water supply sources become essential when municipal systems are inadequate or unavailable. These sources, such as private wells or tanks, ensure reliability during emergencies. Incorporating private water supply options into fire protection plans enhances overall safety. Engineers must evaluate these sources' effectiveness to provide adequate support for firefighting efforts. Concept of static water supply in firefighting. Static water supply refers to the use of non-pressurized sources like lakes and reservoirs for firefighting. In these cases, fire pumps are necessary to draw water and create pressure for effective system operation. Understanding static water supply dynamics is crucial in areas lacking municipal resources. By utilizing these sources, firefighters can maintain operational readiness and effectiveness. Exploring auxiliary water supply options. Auxiliary water supply options, such as swimming pools or harvested rainwater, enhance fire protection capabilities. These resources can supplement primary water supplies during emergencies, providing additional volumes of water. Utilizing alternative sources ensures sufficient water availability for firefighting efforts. Their integration into fire protection strategies adds an extra layer of security. Key considerations for effective water supply. Designing effective fire water supply systems requires careful consideration of several key factors. Calculating water demand based on occupancy and reliability of sources is essential for operational capability. Compliance with design and regulatory requirements further enhances system effectiveness. Addressing these considerations ensures robust water supply systems for firefighting. Estimating water demand for firefighting purposes. Estimating water demand necessitates assessing factors like building height and occupancy levels. This assessment determines the necessary water supply for effective firefighting. Accurate estimations are crucial for designing systems capable of delivering sufficient water flow and pressure. Such planning enhances overall fire safety preparedness. Identifying potential water sources for firefighting. Identifying reliable and sustainable water sources is fundamental to effective fire protection planning. Potential sources may include municipal supplies, private wells, and static water bodies. Evaluating these sources ensures functionality during emergencies, contributing to overall system reliability. Proper assessments allow for a well-rounded approach to water supply for firefighting. Water storage solutions for fire protection. Adequate water storage is critical for maintaining firefighting readiness. Storage tanks must align with calculated water demands, ensuring sufficient supply during emergencies. Accessibility for firefighting personnel is vital for rapid response. Properly designed storage solutions enhance the effectiveness of fire water supply systems. Role of pump systems in firefighting. Pump systems are crucial for increasing water pressure and flow in firefighting operations. Regular testing of these systems ensures their operational readiness during emergencies. Understanding pump types and their capacities is vital for effective fire protection design. Properly functioning pumps significantly enhance firefighting capabilities. Infrastructure of pipe networks for fire safety. The design of pipe networks is vital for maintaining sufficient flow and pressure within firefighting systems. Selecting appropriate materials and diameters ensures that the infrastructure meets specific needs. A well-structured pipe network enables efficient water distribution and enhances system reliability. Engineers must focus on the integration of these networks for effective fire protection. Strategies for backflow prevention in water supply. Backflow prevention strategies are essential for safeguarding the public water supply from contamination. Implementing effective measures ensures that water quality is maintained during firefighting operations. Regular testing confirms the functionality of backflow prevention devices, adhering to safety standards. Prioritizing these strategies enhances the safety of firefighting water supply systems. Essential components of firefighting water supply. Key components of a firefighting water supply system include reliable water sources, fire pumps, storage tanks, and distribution piping. Each element plays a significant role in ensuring sufficient water availability during emergencies. Understanding the interdependence of these components is vital for effective fire protection design. A well-integrated system enhances overall firefighting capabilities. Relevant codes and regulations for fire systems. Compliance with relevant codes and regulations is critical for the safety and effectiveness of fire protection systems. Standards from organizations like NFPA, ICC, and AWWA provide essential guidelines for system design. Adhering to local regulations ensures that specific community needs are met. Understanding and implementing these codes is essential for engineers in fire safety design. Assessing the adequacy of water supply. Assessing water supply adequacy involves comprehensive analyses to determine availability and storage capacities. This evaluation is crucial for ensuring that firefighting systems can meet demands during emergencies. Identifying potential shortcomings allows engineers to make necessary adjustments. Ensuring adequate water supply enhances overall readiness and effectiveness in fire protection. Determining pump capacity requirements. Determining the appropriate pump capacity is vital for maintaining adequate pressure and flow rates. Proper sizing must consider the specific demands of the facility and potential fire scenarios. Implementing redundant systems mitigates the risk of failure, ensuring reliability during emergencies. Accurate pump sizing enhances the overall effectiveness of firefighting strategies. Guidelines for proper pipe sizing. Proper pipe sizing is essential for ensuring adequate pressure and flow within firefighting systems. Engineers must consider specific fire protection requirements and anticipated water demand. Correctly sized pipes facilitate efficient water distribution, reducing pressure loss risks. Adhering to sizing guidelines contributes significantly to fire protection system effectiveness. Protocols for maintenance and testing of water systems. Establishing protocols for maintenance and testing is critical for ensuring operational readiness of water systems. Regular maintenance activities help identify potential issues before they escalate. Compliance with local fire codes is essential for maintaining system reliability. By prioritizing maintenance, facilities can ensure that water supply systems remain functional during emergencies. Effective utilization of water in firefighting. Utilizing water effectively during firefighting operations is crucial for minimizing fire damage. Prompt activation of fire alarms and calling the fire department ensures a quick response. Efficient use of available water supply systems enhances firefighting efforts and outcomes. Collaboration between engineers and firefighters is essential for maximizing the impact of water supply systems. Specifications for breaching inlets in fire systems. Breaching inlets provide essential access for fire department hoses, enhancing firefighting capabilities. These inlets must be strategically located to facilitate rapid connection during emergencies. Proper design and maintenance of breaching inlets ensure operational readiness. Their functionality is vital for effective fire response and resource allocation. Best practices for breaching inlet maintenance. Regular maintenance of breaching inlets is crucial for ensuring their functionality and accessibility. Conducting inspections ensures they remain clear of debris and operationally ready. Implementing best practices for maintenance enhances firefighting response capabilities. Keeping these inlets well maintained contributes to the overall effectiveness of fire protection systems. Criteria for selecting suitable water supply systems. Selecting suitable water supply systems involves careful consideration of several criteria. Compliance with safety standards ensures reliability and efficiency in fire protection. Assessing the compatibility of components is also essential for effective system design. By evaluating these criteria, engineers can enhance fire safety strategies in various facilities. Best practices for installation of water supply infrastructure. Installing water supply infrastructure requires adherence to best practices to ensure effectiveness and compliance. This includes designing systems, obtaining necessary permits, and connecting to water sources. Thorough testing during installation confirms that systems operate as intended. Following these best practices contributes to the reliability of fire protection systems. Strategies for ongoing maintenance of water systems. Implementing strategies for ongoing maintenance of water systems is essential for functionality and reliability. Continuous inspections and regular testing identify potential issues before they become critical. Compliance with codes and regulations is crucial for maintaining effective fire protection. By establishing a robust maintenance regimen, facilities can ensure operational readiness during emergencies. Conclusion and key takeaways. In conclusion, fire water supply systems are vital for ensuring safety within any facility. These systems require careful design, regular maintenance, and adherence to safety standards for effective operation during emergencies. Key takeaways include the importance of reliable water sources and adequately sized infrastructure. By focusing on these areas, engineers can significantly enhance fire protection in hotels and commercial spaces. Thank you. Thank you for participating in this presentation on fire water supply systems. I hope you found the information valuable for fire protection design in hotels. I look forward to our next class on fire pump set, where we'll continue exploring essential fire safety concepts. Your commitment to learning is vital for improving safety in the hospitality industry.